Hello friends, it's Reza. You've come to channel Reza Blade, and I've got a very special haul for you today. I have a friend who let me have the opportunity to be part of her D-stash, and I got a pretty glorious haul. So it was a great opportunity, and I did not pay a lot for this muffler. If you're old enough to get that, then you might be laughing, or you might not. Anyway, so I already got rid of the majority of the packaging because it was recycling day. And she used cardboard, so thank you, my friend, for using cardboard. Look at this. This is the best. All right, so we've got some MoYou plates here. We've got some, some MoYou London plates here. We've got some Moyra plates here, and we've got a couple of Creative Shop and a couple of Infinity nails plates. So let me see if I've got them all organized, and I will get to the plates. So first, I will show you the Infinity Nails plates. These are some Sanrio plates. You'll see my melody up here. And Karo Karopi. I don't remember the name of this character. That makes me a bad Sanrio fan. Infinity Nails plates are unique in that they're really great for people who love symmetry. They usually have the same image on one side as the other side. So they've got mirror symmetrical plates. Oh, that's Maru. He is pretty cool. Pachacho. And Hello Kitty, as we all know. And I forget that one's name. I thought that one was one of the twins, but I don't see. No, I guess it's not. Alrighty. So there's that is Infinity Plate number 108. And we've got Choco Cat for this set of Infinity Plate nails. This Infinity Nails plate, it's 123. Oh, and here's, I think, my melody. Great, fun plates. It's like a combination of a henna plate and a Sanrio. Got some Karopi images, my melody. There we go. So that's it for the Sanrio plates, and that's it for Infinity Nails. Let me find, no, here's my Creative Shop. We've got plate number 8. This is like a Mother's Day, Father's Day plate, as well as some other designs. I like that tribal design, ethnic there. And looks like we've got Hope and Find and Cure, as well as I Love Mom and Happy Mother's Day and I Love Dad and My Dad Rocks. So that is pretty awesome, and some Pregnant Lady ones. Alrighty. We've got Creative Shop plate number 29. I love this space character. And this is such a great galaxy image. This is such a great plate. Some crystal and geometric images here. Plate 31. That is such a great flourish there. Ooh, some textural branches, feathers, some more feathers. Creative Shop always has such great feather images on their plates when they do that. 47. Here's an Asian plate. We have a kitsune somewhere in here. I wonder if it's in the midst of transformation because I'm having a hard time making out all those images. Got a great dragon and a dragon's foot there. Claw, maybe. Some koi. Ooh, that's a lovely texture. Alright. And then let me go to the Moyra plates. We have Moyra 1, Globetrotter. This is a great plate. Very reflective. Alright, 22 is Gastromania. Lots of cuisine images there. These would be fun to color in. Tea, I'm a big tea fan. Drinks, seafood. Are those all bananas? Ice cream. Number 27 is plate Dreamology. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Got the marble images before those were really popular. Some lollipops. Some fenêtres or windows. Ooh, that's really beautiful. Some dream catchers. Ballet. Not quite what that is. 30 is Catwalk. These will be fashion images or something of the sort. Some dress forms, some shoes, some fashion cities and terms. Very cool. Ooh, laundry instructions. Very neat. Oh, that's cool. If you can't stop thinking about it, buy it. And it's shaped like a dress. And some safety pins. Sweet Dreams. Well, that's funny. Sweet Dreams is like a coffee images. Here we go. Here's some kind of whimsical sketch images. Oh, that's some lovely vines there. These are all full of whimsy and a sense of fun. And we've got vintage. These are great. Some roses up here, some keys. Oh, that's a great clock image. I like that. And that's a beautiful flourish. That'll be really useful on all sorts of manicures. And here's some script. Script as always comes in handy. Birds on wires. Some bird cages. And, oh, some swirls. And we've got some more flourishes here. Maharaja is plate number 19. These are Eastern inspired images, obviously. And they are quite lovely. Very useful. Oh, I love Khamsas. All right. And the final Moyra plate is a retro plate. Some anchors and a real variety of images here. Some houndstooth with, I don't know what that is in the middle there. Umbrellas. What are those? It keeps going in and out of focus. Oh, I guess these are fish. Maybe. Anyway, the camera doesn't like it, so I won't stay on it. And some newspaper script. All right. So we're down to our MoYou London plates. I've got Suki 07 and 08. These are beautiful. That dragon is just glorious. And if you guys want to start seeing some of these in my reviews, go ahead and comment below which ones you'd like me to swatch, and I will take that into account when I'm making my next review schedule. The next few days are unscheduled. I tend to fly by the seat of my pants. That's a great sword. I wonder if I can get that on a nail, or at least part of it. I tend to take that, I like to take your opinions into account when I am deciding what to review. All right, we've got 4 Gothic plates from the Gothic collection, and we have 7, 9, 10, and 11. So let me go in order. Here's 7. This is great, like a steampunk Gothic kind of combo there. That's wonderful. I love that top hat right there. That I will definitely be using soon. Gothic 9. Let me put this way so you can see it the way that it's oriented. Stained glass window there. The next few of these are church or stained glass oriented, so literal Gothic. Here's Gothic 10. This is great. I love those windows. All that detail is just great. A religious image. All right, that's 10. Here's Gothic 11. Got some Celtic kind of ornaments. Some flourishy ornaments. This one kind of reminds me of the Powder Perfect Kings and Castles plate in the flavor of the images. Although this is fabulous, that skull. And some more ornaments down there. Alright, and then we have Princess Collection 09, and that is the penultimate plate. These are the smaller MoYou London images. This is a great plate. This is an image that's on Moyra's Primavera plate. I don't know if they mean it to be chocolate, but in the Primavera plate it's chocolate. I love the stars and hearts. That's great. All right, so the last one, certainly not least, is our plate en français. And we've got je sais, bonjour, oui allô, très chic, c'est cliché, oh là là, non, je ne regrette rien, and all sorts of things. Merde, c'est fini, j'adore Paris, embrasse-moi, folie douce, c'est chouette, je t'aime, je ne suis pas parisienne, cap ou pas cap, various things, la vie en rose, s'il vous plaît, je sais quoi, quelque chose en français is basically the deal. So, of course, I had to have that. Loving the language of French the way that I do. I thank you for joining me in our haul today. And again, let me know which ones you guys want to see first. And I will honor your requests, especially if they're made en masse. So I will see you on my next video, which will most likely be a review video, since we are in the middle of 30 and 30 Take 2. Please subscribe to my channel, that way you won't miss any of my future episodes. And I encourage you to click on the notification bell, that'll tell you when I'm releasing my new videos. It will especially tell you if you like my video in the first 24 hours it's out. That's one of the things in YouTube's algorithm that will particularly make a difference. Anyway, you guys have an excellent day, and I will see you later. À tout à l'heure.